When it comes to EV charging solutions, durability, accessibility, and code compliance matter. The Enerlites 66500MHW is designed to deliver all three, while making installation and everyday use easier. The Enerlites 66500MHW Powerbox is engineered for heavy-duty applications where durability, safety, and ease of installation are critical. Constructed from heavy-duty galvanized steel with a baked-on polyester powder coat finish, it is built to withstand demanding environments and long-term outdoor use. The unit provides 3-inch wire bending space compliant with heavy-gauge conductor requirements, ensuring proper wiring and code compliance. It features hardened Allen terminals designed to meet specified torque requirements without stripping, along with a 90-degree hinged door that remains open for easy installation and maintenance. Equipped with a heavy-duty NEMA 1450R weather-resistant receptacle, this powerbox is ideal for long-duration EV charging applications, delivering reliable performance under continuous load conditions. One major difference between the Enerlites 66500MHW and many competing options is that the entire box assembly is UL listed, not just the receptacle inside. That means the complete box has been evaluated for safety and compliance as a system, helping provide added confidence for installers, inspectors, and end users. For installers, the Enerlites box includes convenient knockouts that simplify conduit entry and wiring management during installation. Other boxes on the market only have drill-out markings, which adds additional steps, requires more tools, and takes more time during installation. This box outperforms all other boxes on the market and is immediately noticeable in the field. With a generous 3-inch wire bending space, installers have more room to work with heavy-gauge EV wiring for cleaner, easier terminations. The heavier-duty construction gives the box a more solid, durable feel compared to lighter competitor models, while the convenient knockouts help simplify conduit entry and installation. These are the kinds of details professionals appreciate. Features designed to save time, improve usability, and deliver long-term reliability. Every detail of the Enerlites 66500MHW was designed with long-term performance in mind. EV charging is a continuous high-load application, and when you're powering a major investment like an electric vehicle, the quality of the equipment behind the wall matters. Choosing a heavier-duty, professionally engineered solution helps provide added confidence in safety, durability, and reliability for years to come. The Enerlites heavy-duty 50-amp box outperforms competing brands and is readily available with electrical distributors nationwide. Visit Enerlites.com for more information.